What's something people don't know about nature? It's that even a minute can take your breath away. Let's explore the magic together, from the mighty roar of cascading waterfalls to the serene dance of fireflies at dusk. Nature paints a masterpiece every single day. Imagine standing on a mountain peak, the world stretching out beneath you, or walking through a lush forest where every step uncovers a new mystery. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face and the cool breeze whispering secrets through the trees. Watch as the ocean waves crash with power and grace, and hear the symphony of life all around you. In just 1 minute, you can witness the extraordinary beauty of our world. So take a moment, breathe it all in, and let the wonders of nature fill your soul. Ready to explore more? Hit that like button and let's keep this adventure going.